Okay, I have added a very nice video regarding balance scorecard, which will further clarify your knowledge. Let's watch.
In recent years, some companies have begun integrating their financial and non-financial performance measures using a balanced scorecard approach. Although practice varies from company to company, a balanced scorecard may be organized into 4 performance measure categories: financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth.
What the balanced scorecard does is it usually starts out with some financial measures at the very top, but then as you move down through the organization, what you get is measures of performance that are more directly actionable by those managers, like lead time, process time, defect rates, many non-financial measures. Now, one of the keys with a really good balanced scorecard is it really should be a statement of the company's strategy for how they want to get that additional residual income or return on investment, whatever they're after, and how actions taken by people throughout the organization and actions that are monitored by measures throughout the organization will eventually lead to the improved financial measures at the top if the financial measures are what you're aiming for.
The performance measures that make up a balanced scorecard are unique to each company. They are carefully selected to focus on aspects of the business that best support that company's strategy.
Beyond the financial measures that we use, the variances, the profitability, the margins, we use a number of non-financial measures, yardsticks, to evaluate our business. One of them is turn time, which is key in our industry. And the turn time is the time it takes to take a product from its origin or its start to its completion. Beyond turn time, we look at work in process within our own internal manufacturing. We have a target of how many days of work in process we want to keep at each stage of manufacturing. Not only does it affect your total inventory, which is a part of your asset base, it affects the delivery. Another indicator we use is what percentage of our shipments are made within the customer's ship date. It's very key in our industry.
One factor that may drive the selection of performance measures is the requirements of the customer.
When we deal with major retailers, they have programs that they expect us to comply with as far as on-time delivery, fill rates, especially when we sell a customized product like a sports-oriented product. The product has to be tailored to the market that you're shipping it into. It has to be timely because of the special events nature of the business.
The balanced scorecard approach encourages a philosophy of continual improvement, and this extends to the evaluation process itself.
So you should be able to start at the bottom and say, if we do this, then this should happen. If we reduce defect rates, then we should be able to sell the product for more. If we reduce defects, then we should be able to sell more of the product. You should have if-then statements going all the way up the chain to the very top, leading from the actions people take down at the bottom. Now, a very important part of this, which I think had not really been done before, was that you go back and you check the logic of all of that strategy after the fact, and you do it as part of the performance evaluation process. If, for example, you find out the people at the bottom of the organization who were told to reduce defect rates did decrease the defect rates, but you didn't get an increase in revenues and you didn't get more people buying the product, then there's something wrong with your strategy. And when you get that kind of feedback that there's something wrong with the strategy, then the thing to do is to go back and rethink the strategy. And so it's a performance evaluation system, and it also provides a way to feedback and take a fresh look at your strategy period by period and to redo the strategy if it's not working out.
Okay, I will be uploading our assignment 8 on our WeChat group as well as on Blackboard, and please respect the due date. I will be mentioning the due date in our WeChat group and also the Blackboard as well. And here we go. We have successfully ended our today's lecture, which is the last lecture series on the subject Managerial Accounting. And if you have any query, please do write us in our WeChat group, which is Managerial Accounting CIP 2020, and also you can post in our Blackboard discussion forum. So until then, stay safe, stay at home, and take care of your family. Bye bye.